I think the first thing that people have to know is whether or not the lawyers actually have experience with medical malpractice. Because there are, if you want to talk about Maryland, there are specific procedural requirements to bring a medical malpractice claim. And so you have to be aware of those because it's a little bit of a niche specialty. I mean, you can learn it fairly quickly, but you have to be aware of the pitfalls. So you really need to find someone. First question you should ask is how frequently do you do medical malpractice? You want to know that they have experts available to them because from the plaintiff's perspective, it's sometimes hard to find doctors who will testify against other doctors. So you really need to have a lawyer who has some quality experts that he or she can go to review your case. And so that would be my suggestion if you're going to hire someone to do med mal.